He jumped off the wagon. How you doing? My name's Adam. This is Joella, and this is our house, Rolling River. She's a 2003 International. We did build her ourselves. We took her right out of the school district. She was running kids on a Friday and turning into a house on a Saturday the next day. So we'll take you inside and show you around.
All right.
So you can see as we come in, we got rid of the original bus door. We went with an RV camper door that we took out of a salvage yard. It was pretty affordable, and at the time it worked for us. So that's what we went with. And then yeah, this is our house. We've basically built a lot of it with recycled materials. A lot of recycled pallet wood. And again, a lot of items that come from salvage yards. We have a local salvage yard in Michigan where quite a bit of lumber and stuff gets sent to, so it worked out well for us. It was affordable. So yeah, we got 3 kids on board with us. Me, the wife, and then 3 children. So it's always an adventure. We did our own pipe shelving.
I like that.
We made it out of individual pipes. Joe, you want to go play? You can go play. All right. We went with butcher block countertop. We originally had a gas range stove and oven, which once we installed our solar, we went with removing it and getting a full countertop. We went to all electric appliances, which we fit into one cabinet. We have an oven, a cooktop, electric water boiler, toaster, I think pretty much everything that a normal house would have. We went with the corner space here. We were going to do a Lazy Susan, but instead we decided on a removable countertop, which we put our garbage can underneath of. We have a tankless hot water heater. It's on-demand propane. And then our diesel heater is also mounted under here. And then we carry about 6 gallons of extra drinking water under there as well.
How do you access the garbage can?
So this just lifts up.
Oh, gotcha.
And slides over. And it's pretty straightforward and works for us. You know, we didn't really know where to integrate the garbage can in here. Didn't really have a spot. And that's what we came up with. So we carry a lot of books on board. We have solar. We have about 540 watts on the roof. We have a 6-volt lead acid batteries. We have 6 of them wired into a parallel series for 12 volt. 3,000 watt inverter. And yeah, it does a great job. We've never had a problem with it. Knock on wood. We actually went with a laundry tub sink over here in the countertop. Not to really jump around, but laundry tub seemed to be lighter weight and bigger, so we were able to put the baby in there and wash her when she was, you know, quite a bit smaller. Our fridge now on the food storage, I guess. This is a Norcold. It's a 7.5 cubic foot, I believe it is. Electric, also propane. And yeah, it does wonderful as well. It's one of the few things that we didn't salvage. We actually took this and bought it new. Right. We heard some problems with them, so
there's some things you're better off buying new and not inheriting other people's problems.
We come back here to like our sleeping quarters. We've got kids bunks. My oldest daughter on top. She's got her own space, room for her stuff that she likes and things she likes to do. My oldest son, his space, again, space.
I like the rock climbing things to get up.
Yeah, so my daughter wanted something different. We started with a ladder, and then we moved on to rock climbing mounts, which we thought would be better for the baby, but turns out she can climb in. So
they all are at some point.
Yeah, so big sister not in luck with keeping the baby out.
I'm guessing this is her bed.
And this is her bed. This is where the magic happens.
Yep.
So we actually just bought a normal baby gate that would be like in a house for a doorway, and then we cut it down a little bit to fit, and then yeah, just screwed it in, made it part of the vehicle. And then under the baby's gate, over the wheel wells, we have our dresser, which we made ourselves. It is quite a bit deeper than your standard dresser would be, so that's nice. We each have our own drawer, and then we kind of split a drawer for socks and bathing suits and things like that.
Sure.
So it works out well. Over here we have an apartment size washing machine, which we were gonna do a washer dryer combo, but heard a lot of reviews on the dryer side of the combo taking a while and using a lot of energy, so we went with this. And then we have a clothesline we hang up outside, and it's been wonderful. We don't generally run it unless we have. Yes?
Can you make lunch?
Yes, give me 1 second, please.
Okay.
So we generally run it when we have water access, you know.
I toured a bus a couple years ago that had a one of those octagon or hexagon spinning clothes racks.
Okay, yeah.
They put a bracket on the back and they just pulled it out and put it on that, and
yeah, that's a good
that way
idea.
they didn't have to worry about having trees or whatever. I'm like,
oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah,
that's something to think about.
But I use laundromats, so
yeah, we use laundromats a lot. We find ourselves in a laundromat more often than running this thing. I'm going to tell you that. So, but it is nice to have. So here in the back, this would be our master bed, which also our mattress is called. It's from a company called Corduroy, which it turns into a bean bag. So it is a full-size mattress. And then we have a leather case, which it folds up into a bean bag. It's pretty simple. And then the bed actually slides into a couch so that you can walk straight through the hallway, through the back door, and then we have a 4.5-foot deck on the back.
Right.
So it is very nice to slide this in. We convert the mattress to bean bag and we set it on the back deck. And yes, it's very nice. So schoolwork, book work, all that stuff. It's good fun. Over here we have our homemade barn door, again made from scrap materials from the salvage yard. It was pretty cheap and affordable. We just latch it on here when we're driving. These little spring-loaded latches are amazing. Kind of new to me. I just found out about them a couple months ago, but they work well. Then this is the John. We've got a composting toilet. It's the Airhead brand. The shower is made from a product called Hanex, which is a solid surface, comes in like a 4x8 sheet, and then it can be cut and glued and made into whatever you want it to be. So we made a floor pan, a windowsill, and then we did our shower with a product called Duma Wall, which is a 1/4-inch vinyl wall tile for showers and such. And we just glued it with liquid nails to a 1/4-inch marine board. So it's
very nice.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to crack that stuff, you know, and it's very lightweight and very thin, so it was nice for the space we had. And then yes, we did a sink that was, I think we found on Amazon, and it was supposed to be mounted the other way, which is why the rope is in there, which turned into a perfect towel rack, but towels are currently all dirty. So yeah, that's about it for the inside, I guess.
All right, now if somebody wanted to get a hold of you, do you have any social media presence? If people have questions or...
Yes, we have. You can follow us on Instagram at Rollin' River.
Okay.
Hold on, baby. Okay. Okay. We're gonna tell them where to find us. The side of our bus has our Instagram and our TikTok and our website, I believe. So you can find it all there. And then yeah.
All right.
I guess we'll put some links up, right?
Thank you. You did a great job.
Yeah, if there's any other questions, feel free to ask.